This homemade chicken soup recipe is well worth making. It's good for the body and the soul, and especially in this winter season to charge up your body from within and to fight against this cold. Hello and welcome back to Cooking Story, and this is Smita. So let's begin today's recipe. So, do you ever wonder how this simple plain chicken and vegetables simmered together can taste so satisfying? For this, you have to watch the entire recipe to find out the secret. Now, let's check the ingredients. These are corn starch, white vinegar, green beans, carrot, sweet corn, salt, coriander chopped, black pepper, 1 egg, and with that chicken. Over here I am using boneless chicken. First of all, take 200 grams of boneless chicken. Now drop this into the boiling water. Next, stir the chicken well. Then add 2 tablespoons of sweet corn. After that, add 2 small carrots, cut it into small pieces. Then add 50 grams of green beans, cut it into small pieces. Now add salt as per your taste. Again mix everything well and cook for 4 to 5 minutes in a very low flame. And once the water turns clear, at this point of time we will add half teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, and then cook for 2 to 3 minutes. After that, we will add 1 egg. At this point of time, you need to add the beaten egg. For this, you have to be very careful. Let me show you how you need to add. First of all, crack the egg and beat it properly. Then slowly you have to drop in the egg from one side and rotate it until your entire beaten egg is done. At this point of time, your flame will be very low, or else the egg will not float like this. Now cook for 2 to 3 minutes in a very low flame. Then raise the flame to high and boil it for another 3 to 4 minutes. Our soup is perfectly done. Though before bringing it down from the flame, we need to add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Mix it in with 1/4 cup of water and make a smooth slurry. Then drop this cornflour starch into the soup and boil it in a high flame for 3 to 4 minutes or until it becomes thick. Though depend upon the need of the consistency of the soup, you can add cornstarch. Don't make it too thick or too thin. Now it's look perfect. Remove it from the flame and pour it into the serving bowl. You can sprinkle some coriander leaves from top. Now after transferring the soup into the serving bowl, then add 1 teaspoon of chili vinegar from top and sprinkle some black pepper powder. Then enjoy this hot piping soup in this winter with your friends and family and charge up your body. And if you think this soup is worth it, then don't forget to subscribe my channel Cooking Story and hit the bell icon. So when I upload new recipes like this, you get the notification first. Till then, stay healthy, stay wealthy, enjoy cooking. Thanks for watching. See you again with another new episode. Till then, enjoy!